The life cycles of Emira species started with the infected bird will shed the non-infective oocysts in the feces, which will contaminate the environment. Then the oocysts will sporulate within the 48 hours and become infective. Other birds will ingest the infective oocysts while eating or drinking. Then the oocysts will hatch and invade the intestinal tissue, causing damage and creating more oocysts. The secretions produced by the anterior end and organelles of Emira species are crucial for the recognition, attachment, and invasion of the host cell. Invasion is initiated by contact between the cell surface and the anterior end of the sporozoites. Emira species secrete soluble antigens. These secreted proteins coat the parasite and link the parasite actin myosin cytoskeleton and the host cell surface, which promotes the invasion. Emira species impaired the antioxidant status during the course of infection and cause oxidative stress after the infection established. Then, the unbalance of pro-oxidants and endogenous antioxidant in living systems lead to the excessive production of free radicals. These free radicals will trigger the oxidative stress, which establishes an important mechanism that leads to biological damage and has become a cause of several degenerative health problems which affect the whole performance and productivity of the livestock. Free radicals accumulated in response to lipid peroxidation, which increases the risk of oxidative reactions during the postmortem and processing of meat products. Lipid peroxidation leads to the discoloration, impaired water holding capacity, loss of nutritive values, deformation of rancid odor and off-flavor compounds, and the production of potentially toxic compounds in meat and meat products, which might be harmful to human health. Thus, the oxidative stress will lower muscle pH, denatures muscle protein, and decrease the water holding capacity of polymyositis muscle in broilers. Based on the information gathered from literature research, it can be concluded that coccidiosis in poultry does affect the meat quality. The pH levels become low. It has low weight gains, high meat tenderness, which will lead to pale, soft and exudative meat, low nutrient absorption level such as dry matter, nitrogen, starch and fat, high food conversion ratio but low growth performances, higher mortality rate for clinical coccidiosis, which is more than 10,000 oocysts per gram, lower or no mortality rate for subclinical coccidiosis, which were lower than thousands oocysts per gram.